Hi, about the EECA again. I think since the last few weeks, okay, I've been seeing something positive about the preparation by potentially affected energy consumers. Because personally, I received at least 3 requests, okay, to send the proposal for energy consumers that would like to engage the external parties to become their registered energy manager. Okay, means that they can engage external and registered energy manager up to 3 years according to the regulations under the Act. However, from my observation, okay, some of the scope of work somehow prepared. I think my suggestion here, you have to understand the requirement of the Acts, okay, regulations and guidelines before for you to enable you to prepare a sensible, workable and also practical scope of work if you are looking for the external party to become the registered energy manager. For example, okay, I saw some of the document, okay, one document, okay, they mentioned that the requirement to develop energy management system according to the guideline is only 3 months. Okay, even in the Act, okay, and then even in the regulations under the Act, the time to develop and implement the energy management system given is 12 months. 12 months from the appointment of the registered energy manager. It means that, based on my experience, okay, practically out there, it's impossible if you're starting from zero, you have no energy management system, and you want to get your energy management system developed and implemented effectively within 3 months. It's impossible. Because if you study, if you understand the guidelines, guidelines on energy management system according to the Act, okay, as issued by the Commission. Okay, there's about at least so-called 8 items, okay, 8 items, 8 sections to be fulfilled. Okay, 8 sections to be fulfilled. In particular, basically, the one that require, we have direct requirement on the energy system is from section 4 until section 8. Okay. It's including the evaluation, self-evaluation, confirming the commitment, and then evaluate the performance, setting up the target, and then form the committee, and then perform the so-called internal checking, and all that. That one more than 3 months. I think I cannot blame them because I think they prepared the document without a proper understanding of the guideline itself. So my suggestion, before you look out for the external party to become the registered energy manager, it's better to have more insight about the actual requirement according to the Act, okay, and the regulation under the Act and guidelines under the Act. Because if not, you will confuse, okay, whoever would like to participate to send their proposal. That's one example. Okay, based on my experience as a consultant, okay, paid by the customer, at least the shortest time they are able to get the system developed and implemented, at least 6 months. 6 months. Okay, my experience so far range from 6 to 8 months. 8 months is average. So that's why the 12-month period given by Energy Commission under the regulation under the Act is quite reasonable to me, provided you are whoever being assigned to develop the system is dedicated doing the job. Okay, with full kind of resources be given and all that. That might one thing. Another one, the requirement in the scope of work about the energy efficiency and conservation report. For your information, the report to be submitted on yearly basis, okay, is not you have to prepare a report. The report basically submitted through the Enhanced Energy Management Information System by Energy Commission. So you have to submit the report online. So the report all about entering the data and information as guided in the guidelines issued by the Energy Commissions. That's one thing. So no such thing as preparing of the report. It's all about somehow to ensure the submission of the report. So your scope of work must be very clear on that. Unless you require the registered energy manager to prepare separate report for you in terms of somehow a report documents like in the word forms and all that. That's different. But to compare to the Act, the report to be submitted is all entering the data information as guided, okay, in the guidelines. That's all. Okay, another one, okay, is about observation about two of that so-called BQ I received, okay, require also the carbon footprint kind of calculation, okay, energy carbon footprint calculations, okay, and some even carbon footprint reporting, okay. Okay, so this is added, okay, this is added scope for the registered energy manager. For me, if you want to add everything into one package, are you ready to pay? For example, the carbon footprint calculations, okay, all that is a separate field by itself, a separate knowledge and skill by itself. Even energy management system itself is a requires separate and specialized knowledge to get it right. Okay, so you cannot jumble everything together. You cannot put everything together. For me, again, okay, my advice, okay, understand the requirement exactly. If you don't know, ask Energy Commission, ask anyone. I'm happy to help because I'm also providing a lot of videos, okay, in my YouTube channel, okay, about all that, okay, I got all the information from my conversation with Energy Commission, through the industry contacts and all that. I hope that will help. But don't send out a document that somehow will confuse the potential registered energy manager and then difficult for them to come up with a sensible proposal. Okay, so with that, I hope, okay, again, it's good. For me, positively, it's very good to see many companies have started to prepare themselves to comply to the Act, okay, it's good. But somehow, you can do it better by understanding better the requirement and then come up with much better somehow scope of work, so that everyone, okay, whoever wanted to participate can have a better, clearer idea, and you can also don't waste your time, suddenly the proposal doesn't meet requirement, and the most important part during the delivery of the jobs. Okay, maybe somebody thought, okay, you expect like this, later different things. Okay, so with that, I hope this helped. You know where to reach me if you need any query about this EECA. I'm happy to share to whatever knowledge I have, and also I'm happy also to listen to some comment. Thank you very much.